Good evening, third graders. This is Miss Middleton. Today we are going to be working on inserting pictures into a Word document. I have sent out a Google Doc to each one of you, and it comes with different topics like favorite color, your favorite drink, favorite candy. After you fill in your answers, then you are going to insert a picture below your answer. So we're going to click underneath favorite color, purple. We're going to push insert up here in this tab. So push insert, and then it changes these tabs underneath. You're going to go over to picture, push the arrow down. You can insert from the device, from a mobile device, stock images, search on the web. Today we are going to search on the web. And my favorite color is purple. I can look through these, and this just shows other topics that are available for you to pick. But we are going to search purple. Now it brings up all different pictures of the color purple. We are going, I think this flower is pretty. So I'm going to click on the flower, and once it's clicked on, it'll mark it with a blue check mark. Once you see that, you can come down here to insert. There's a 1 next to it, which shows you that only one picture is inserted. Click insert. Then it inserts your picture underneath your favorite color. Now this is a little large, so I'm going to make it smaller by clicking right here, this little white dot. Click and drag inward, and this makes the picture smaller. Adjust it to your liking. And then I'm going to show you one more time with our favorite drink. So my favorite drink is a Dr. Pepper, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go up here to Insert. Click on the Picture tab. Scroll down to Search on Web. Then in the search bar, I'm going to type Dr. Pepper. Again, it brings up a variety of pictures of Dr. Pepper. You're going to choose one. I'm going to choose this one right here. I see the blue check mark, so I can come down here and push Insert 1. It inserted my picture of a Dr. Pepper, and now I'm going to do the same thing I did before by clicking in the lower right corner and dragging inward to make the picture smaller. I want you to do this with the remainder of your answers.